If the nozzle is relatively low before changing the ink tube, we turn on the power. After turning on the power, click on the PRC screen, then click Auto Up. Let the print head be lifted to a distance of about 5 centimeters or more, or you can rise to the highest level. It is convenient for us to disassemble and install the print head later. Collision avoidance. Okay, about 5 centimeters or more is enough. Can also rise to the highest. Then click Auto Rise again to stop. Power off. We can follow up. Prepare screwdriver. Remove the lid covering the ink tube. The demonstration is a 4-head machine. It has 4 screws. Then there are screws here too. Remove all these screws. Okay, take this cover off after removing it all. The ink tube is down there. We can see the ink tube.